Hey guys, it's Ben from Vico, and in this video I'm going to show you the eBay listing tool. So you can see I'm already on my products page, and you can see all of my different products and the stores that I already have listed too. Now there may be one or two reasons why you would need to use the eBay listing tool. Firstly, you may want to create a brand new product within Vico and then use our eBay or Amazon listing tool to send those up to your marketplaces. Or it could be that all of your products have already been brought into Vico from Amazon, for example. You may have just started listing items onto eBay and you simply want to push this product that already exists out to your eBay store. Now, in today's example, we'll focus on this product, the Superman short sleeve t-shirt. Now, you can see I already have my 8 variants listed on Amazon and eBay at the moment, but actually I've got a brand new variant that I added just a while back, this extra large. I've yet to push that through to eBay, and that's what I want to do now. Now, the information that will be sent through to your eBay listing can all be found within the Vico product. So if we click into the product itself and find the variant we're going to list, so extra large, I can see the options, the SKU is already in there. If I click this edit button, I can see the variant title, the SKU, I can add a barcode, cost price and retail price. Now this is the selling price that will be pushed through with your listing. The weight is in there. If I click details, this will be the overall parent title that's sent through to eBay, the brand and the description, which I can just click and edit. I can add new images if I want to send different images through. And in Vico, we have a section called properties. Now, depending on the category you wish to list to, each category will vary in the information that has got to be sent through to the store with your listing. And this is where you'll create the new properties. So you can either pick a pre-existing one, so I have a host of them here, or I can scroll to the bottom and create a brand new one and give it a product value. So you can see already I have the condition, which is new, material, color, and so on. Now I'll show you in the listing tool where to find the required properties, and there's also a section that aren't required but can be useful in getting your listings near the top of the eBay searches. But this is where you'll add all of the information required. Now if we head to the listing tool itself, we hover over products and then click listing. And then that will bring us to this section. If we click not listed, this will show me all of the products within my Vico system, and I can select which store I want to focus on. So in this instance, we're going to use eBay. And there's the product that I want to send across. Now, firstly, you need to create a profile if you haven't already done so. So if I click on create profile and give it a name, so I will call this demo t-shirts. I select my listing duration. So I'll choose quickly cancelled. Add the PayPal email address that's linked to this particular eBay account. I can add in my dispatch time maximum. So if I say anybody orders this item, I'll dispatch it within 3 days. You can select the location if you have more than one warehouse. So I'll select London. I'll select the shipping service that I want to send through. So if we went, so we'll send this one Royal Mail First Class Standard. Shipping cost will be $2.99. If you have HTML templates set up, you can amend here. And once I've filled in all of the required information, I'm going to choose my category. So if I search by keywords, this will find all of the categories available within eBay, and I'll simply select every listing I send under this profile. This is the category that they'll appear in. So if we just choose this one here, so I click add, and it will confirm my chosen category down the bottom. So if I update categories, that will enable the match properties section. So if I click into there and go into the section, it tells me here, anything with a red band is a required piece of information for this eBay listing. Anything in yellow is not required, but could be helpful. So this is where we tell the system where to pull that information from. So I showed you earlier in this video, within the products page, I can create properties and give it a value to send across with this listing. So if I tell the system here, when eBay asks the size information, it's to read it from this property. Same with brand. I will select the brand from the drop down. Or alternatively, if a value is always going to be the same under this profile, you can select the default value. So for example, if everything under my demo t-shirts profile will be Adidas products, I can simply tell the system to always send Adidas across with the listing. Once I've entered all of the information that I want to send across with my listing, we'll just add in material. As you can see, it's not a required field, but I feel it will help give my listing a bit more weight. So there we go. Material, click the update button, and then hit update profile. My profile has been updated. Now I find the listing I want to send through to eBay. So Superman short sleeve t-shirt, SKU is SUP16. I'll select the profile. We'll go with the one I just created. If I wanted to edit before I used it, I just click here and I can edit the profile again. But if I'm happy with that, I simply hit the publish listing button, and that will send the listing through to eBay for approval. So you can see here, well done, the listing has been published. If for whatever reason there's a piece of information missing, you'll get a message back advising what is missing from the listing, and you can simply jump back into the Vico product, add the property or add whatever bit of information is missing, come back to the listings page and simply push the listing button again, and Vico will reattempt to send that through to eBay. You can also bulk list. So if I were to highlight all of these listings, select the profile that I want to send them through to eBay with. Actually, let's just go with the top two. Once I've selected the listings I want to attempt to send and the profile in which I want to send them across using, I simply hover over the actions button, click publish selected, and wait for the response from eBay. So you can see here, both of these have come back with warnings and errors. So a warning simply means that there's a slight issue with this particular listing, but it won't prevent the listing from being sent across to eBay. An error means that this is exactly the issue that is preventing this listing going across to eBay. So we can see here, Vico has been unable to send this listing across to my eBay store because that would exceed the number of items and amount that I'm able to list. So you can see I'm able to list 7 more items and £511 worth of goods. Because the retail price on this is £550, it's been blocked by eBay. So I would either need to up my limits on eBay or reduce the retail price in Vico, and then I'd simply hit the publish listing button again and Vico would attempt to resend. And that is the eBay listing tool, guys. Any questions, you can send us a message via the help center by clicking the button there, new conversation, and just type in a message.